Namaste to everyone. I am Yogi Himanshu and we welcome you in today's short motivational rapid session. So today we are talking about 15 minutes breathing meditation benefits. Okay, let's put it like this. Our whole body is consist of prana. Every molecule, every particle, every cell in this body work through the support of prana. So if there is prana imbalance, no matter how knowledgeable we are, no matter how intelligent we are, no matter how much money we have, no matter how much success we have, this body, this mind will not work in balance. The whole body, the mind, brain, all these three aspects will suffer because first thing that they need is prana. So if we do the breathing awareness meditation, we can heal our mind, we can heal our brain, we can heal our body, and our body can come into the balance. Our body will feel happy, our body will feel nice, our body will feel balanced. Every cell, every molecule, every muscle will receive their first priority, prana. So breathing awareness meditation is the most important meditation. If we don't know how to do breathing awareness meditation, we don't know. If we say we can't uh, focus on our breath, let me tell you, if we say it, we cannot meditate over anything because it is the first priority for this body and brain to have the proper flow of prana. So 15 minutes, 20 minutes breathing awareness practice every day is important, because if the flow of prana is not proper in the body, this machine will not work for you. And if this machine is not working for you, how can we focus and how can we meditate upon any object? So the lifestyle, let me put it also like this, a lifestyle is also important. If we are not living proper lifestyle, if we are smoking, if we are drinking, if we are so much into sexual activities, if we are so much into gambling and other inappropriate things, so in this path we are gonna lose a lot. We are gonna lose our mind, we are gonna lose our self-confidence, we are gonna lose our body, and there is no way then for prana to flow properly and to brain to become strong. So basics, okay, we have to leave all these things. We have to quit all these inappropriate items which are making us weak. And when we are practicing, when we are quitting, when we are unfollowing this all the inappropriate items, then we will be able to focus on our breath. The moment we start connecting with our breath, it means now we are ready to meditate. Now our mind is completely peaceful. Now our mind can become ekagra, one pointed with the object, and now we can learn how to stay focused. Now we can learn how to see things as they are, and that's the goal of the meditation. So never say that we cannot practice breathing awareness meditation. Yes, body, mind, they are not habituated to it, but we can do it. And if we don't do it, we cannot practice meditation. We can pretend so much drama, that's possible, but that drama won't work with us if we are suffering. People won't connect with us if we are imbalanced with our energy. So 15 minutes, 20 minutes morning breathing awareness meditation, lunch, after dinner will bring so much peace. It will change our life and everything will resolve. Let's understand in this way, every particle, every cell of our body requires prana to function. If there is no prana, nothing else in this world can make it work for us. So blood pressure, prana dysfunctioning, headache, depression, and some major internal injuries, minor internal injuries, external injuries, minor, major, everything will resolve if we are following the basics, if we are practicing breathing awareness meditation properly. So do it, and by simply following just these simple practice, we can make our life very blissful. We can heal our whole self. We can heal our brain, we can heal our whole body, and we can turn mind inward, we can see reality, and so much more. Thank you so much for listening us. We hope this short inspirational video bring change in your life. That's all our purpose is. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep practicing yoga. Namaste.